Welcome to the Eastbridge University Learning Management System, also known as the EBU LMS. This portal is designed to support students throughout their academic journey by providing access to course materials, university policies, communication tools, and student support services. In this video, we will guide you through the main sections of the LMS and show you how to navigate the platform easily. Once you log in, you will land on the dashboard. The dashboard serves as your main homepage inside the LMS. Here, you can view your program details, important course-related information, quick links to key academic resources, and your overall learning progress. You will also find an announcements and news section where students can stay updated with the latest university notices, academic updates, and important information shared by Eastbridge University. The dashboard is your starting point for accessing everything inside the portal. From the left-hand menu, you can click on Profile. This section contains your personal information such as name, contact details, program enrolled, admission-related records. Students are advised to keep their profile updated and ensure that all details are correct for smooth communication with the university. Next, you will find the identity card option. By clicking here, you can view your official EBU student ID card, which includes your name, registration number, course name, date of joining. This ID card can be used for academic reference and verification purposes. The most important academic section is subjects and content. This area allows students to access their learning materials, modules, and course resources. Inside this section, students can select subjects from the available list, view learning content and study materials, download resources for future reference, follow the course structure in an organized format. Please note that the study materials are meant for online learning and are not designed for printing. On the dashboard, students will also see an instruction section. This provides a step-by-step guide on how to use the LMS effectively. The instruction slides cover important topics such as updating your profile, navigating course content, understanding assignments, raising queries, using the help desk and discussion board. It is highly recommended that students go through these instructions carefully at the beginning of their program. The course curriculum section provides an overview of the program structure. Here, students can view the academic framework of the program, levels and credit distribution, core and specialization components, capstone or final project requirements. Next, we have the policy and procedure section. This is an important feature of the LMS. When you click on this option, it opens the official Eastbridge University website page that contains institutional policies. Students can access key documents such as privacy policy, assessment policy, refund policy, code of ethics, data protection policy, academic appeal policy, artificial intelligence policy, equality and inclusion policy. These policies ensure transparency and help students understand university regulations and academic standards. For any academic or technical assistance, students can use the ticket section. This works as the university's help desk support system. Inside the ticket page, students can view previously raised tickets, check ticket status, create a new ticket using the New Ticket button. Students receive email notifications when a ticket is generated, a response is provided, or when the ticket is closed after 48 hours of inactivity. This system ensures that student queries are handled efficiently. The LMS also provides a discussion board feature. This is an interactive space where students can post questions, participate in academic discussions, share learning-related points with peers or faculty. Students can also create new discussion topics and engage with the university learning community. It is a useful tool for collaborative learning and ongoing support. Another helpful feature is the FAQ section. This section provides a document containing answers to frequently asked questions related to assignments and submissions, evaluation and grading process, credit system, academic policies, certification requirements, tutor support, and contact information. Students are encouraged to check the FAQ section before raising queries, as many common concerns are addressed here. Finally, once you have completed your session, you can click on Log Out from the left-hand menu. This ensures your account remains secure. This brings us to the end of the LMS navigation walkthrough. The Eastbridge University LMS is designed to provide a smooth and supportive learning experience by giving students access to course content, curriculum structure, policies, academic support, communication tools, and university updates. We recommend exploring each section carefully to make the most of your learning journey. Thank you for watching and welcome to Eastbridge University.